60, Nina Rangelova. Lane 9, California Aquatics, Erica Dagg. And in lane 10, First Colony Swimming, Simone Manuel. Top qualifier Julia Wilkinson at 55.92. As they turn at the 50, it's Nina Rangelova leading the way, followed by Julia Smith and Christine Magnuson, the top three at that 50-meter turn. Just over 25 meters to go now in this B final. Good close race, middle of the pool starting to come together as they come to the final touch, and it will be Nina Rangelova hanging on at 55.54 to touch first in the B final. Camille Mouffat from France is second at 55.81, and touching third, Julia Wilkinson in a tie with Julia Smith at 55.86 for third in the B final. At this time, ladies